Fight revenge bedtime procrastination and sleep better. Revenge bedtime procrastination describes the decision to sacrifice sleep for free time, due to a lack of free time in one's daily routine. Revenge bedtime procrastination can be tempting, but it can lead to serious consequences like lack of mental acuity and emotional stability. Review the causes, symptoms, and consequences of this harmful behavior. Then take action to fix it. What causes bedtime procrastination? People often avoid going to bed because they are preoccupied with things they can do in solitude or that stimulate their brain. They lack motivation and self-control. Many of the same reasons you might procrastinate during the day also happen at night. These can be things like being tired, anger from a stressful day, or not feeling motivated. How to prevent bedtime procrastination? Improve your bedtime habits. There are 3 strategies to help get a better night's sleep: finishing your day obligations early, having a consistent and calming bedtime routine, and delaying your temptation of procrastination by counting to 30. Improve your sleep hygiene. To optimize sleep, it is important to minimize light exposure before bedtime, especially blue. Avoid activities like running around or drinking coffee that stimulate the body. It's also important to eat healthy and cut back on alcohol, tobacco, and problematic foods, like heavy meals, in the hours before bedtime. Set limits on technology. A 2015 study by Norwegian researchers found that adolescents who use electronic devices at night are more likely to be sleep deprived. People with low self-regulation are more likely to delay bedtime. If you have trouble, shut off devices at least an hour before bedtime to help you concentrate on sleep. Set your own clear goal. Create a plan for achieving your goals and set out to execute it. Remember that obstacles might arise and take measures to prevent them from derailing you. Increase your motivation. Sleep is your first priority. Remind yourself that it's important. Visualize how great you will feel the next day after getting sufficient sleep. Reward yourself for good progress you make with things like reading a chapter of your favorite book before bedtime. Bedtime procrastination can happen for a variety of reasons, so it's important that the technique you use to combat this also addresses the cause. You can start with a few techniques that you feel comfortable with and then add more as you see fit. Thanks for watching.